Iris Foundry gives you an offer for any large manufacturing plant. Creating an asset hierarchy can quite be a Herculean task. There are like hundreds of assets and hundreds of tags and hundreds of sensors, and creating manually a asset hierarchy, which will be a digital representation of your plant, is a Herculean task, and it might take a lot of time. However, we have a solution for that. We have a what do you call P&ID ingesters. So P&ID is nothing but a diagram of the plant which shows how various assets are connected to each other, how they are arranged, what are the different sensor tags are on the particular asset. So we can use a digital represent a PNG file or a PDF file of any P&ID, and use the P&ID ingester to simply extract all the information at a click of a button. So there are state-of-the-art vision algorithms which are running in the back to scan this document. Right now, I have selected only one, but you can upload multiple PNIDs to uh, to scan these PNIDs. And here you can see that algorithm has correctly identified that all these entities which are in the purple box are assets, and all the entities which are in the blue box are the tags. So you can see that for this particular asset, these are the tags which are mapped onto this particular asset. And now you can download this mapping, which will give you a complete a mapping of what are all the tags which are there on that particular asset, if it's a pump or a motor or anything. So just give me a second. Yeah. Now, once you have this mapping, you can go and create this asset in this predictive asset intelligence. What does it mean? That you will have to create a representation of it, and you don't have to worry. You don't have to do it manually. We already have templates for all the commonly occurring industrial assets. For example, centrifugal compressor, pump, gearbox, heat exchanger, steam turbines, motors, and so on. What these templates do is they predefine the information that is expected for a given asset or a piece of equipment. So here for a centrifugal compressor, you can see that this is the centrifugal compressor. These are the channels, or these are the sensor data which is needed for a centrifugal compressor. Not all the data is needed. If all the data is there, which is good, you can cover more faults. However, if only a portion of this sensor data is available, that is also fine. We can still use that to cover a certain percentage of your faults. With this, you can create an asset quickly for your purpose, and then you can use other features to create asset hierarchy, which we saw on the dashboard in the beginning. So you can create an asset hierarchy like this, and you can also then map all the tags or all your sensors to your different assets. And so here you can see that these are all the tags from historian, and they are all mapped to different assets in the asset hierarchy. So so now that we have your asset structure and have populated asset templates, we can the knowledge graph will automatically get created, and it will provide the digital representation of your facility. I would also like to show you one last thing. As I mentioned from the beginning, we have FMEAs. So you can see an example of an FMEA. So here you have like a cause, and you have what is the mode, failure mode. You have an RPN number. You can also have what are all the sensors which are used to map to this cause. What are the recommendations? And so this whole FMEA template is all pre-built into this application. If you want, we can build one for you. If you don't find your asset here, we can build one for you, or we can work with your SMEs to build one.